we have performed Friday prayer. Now we are going back in the company, and there are also passengers in the auto rickshaw.
January 3rd, 2025.
Assalamu alaikum. Few days ago, here was so trash in this area. This is, but not in huge quantity. Some trash is here only. By the way, this place has been cleaned. Now this place looking beautiful. No, this is not beautiful. This is just good. So it's time to go on the work. As you can see my backpack on my shoulder. Now I'm going, and you can see everyone has locked their doors. Look here, this is my room. I already locked the door. Then go. I was forgot my muffler, so I came back to bring my muffler because the intensity of air is really high and cold. बहुत ठंडी हवा चल रही है भैया, बहुत ठंड लग रही है. Therefore, I took my muffler back. Now I can hide my ears by my muffler. अब मेरे को ठंड नहीं लगेगी. I'm not gonna feel cold anymore on my ears. I'm here on the work, and I'm not gonna show you anything on the work now. I know you are getting bored after seeing the work, so I'll try to find something interesting moment for you. If I found, I'll share with you guys, okay? By the way, today is Friday, so I'll go to pray 12 kilometers away from my room. So I'll shoot my vlog in the auto rickshaw. It's Friday, so I'm going earlier from the work. First of all, I'll buy Surf Excel from the grocery shop because I want to wash my laundry. So the shop is over there. Let's go in the shop and buy surf. The weather is so good. It's sunny. We are not feeling cold anymore. The shop is there next to this stall. Let me check. Do I have cash or I'll pay online? Uncle, आपके पास सर्फ एक्सेल है? नहीं. हेड एंड शोल्डर शैम्पू?
शैम्पू खत्म हो गया. पानी सादा है मेरा. सर्फ एक्सेल अब मांगते वो नहीं.
He hasn't Surf Excel on his shop. Let's go and take shower and ready for the prayer. I'm just about to reach. Oh my god, this kid of cow eating grazing. Uncle was asking about my channel, so I'm gonna subscribe my channel from his phone. As you can see, he's searching my YouTube channel. YouTube खोलो. ये है मेरे YouTube चैनल. इस पर आएंगी मेरी सारी वीडियोस.
सभी.
हाँ, vlogs. Now I'm going in my room. Uncle subscribed my YouTube channel. I'm very happy. I'm getting late, so I have to go quickly as much as possible. I wore my new clothes. Now we are going in order to prayer. Yeah, you can see we are 4 people. We are standing here. सरखेज कितने रुपए? अरे 30 नहीं, 20
उजाला का 20 रुपये. उजाला आएगा, फिर उजाला आएगा, फिर ठंडी आएगा. जाओ.
His fare is very expensive. We can't afford. He is asking for 30 rupees. Let's wait for another auto rickshaw. This is not particular auto stand. You can get auto rickshaw anywhere if you stand at the edge of road. Finally, we are in the auto rickshaw. He's my uncle. We are going together. He's auto driver. He's driving very fast. By the way, he has music system in this auto rickshaw. Where are you going? He is waiting for passengers. By the way, he has 4 or 5 passengers already in the auto rickshaw. I think he needs more. Wow, this is a beautiful hotel. Wow. He is driving very fast. He is thinking this is Ferrari, but actually this is auto rickshaw. He should not compare this auto rickshaw to the Ferrari. Oh, I think he got 2 passengers. No. They are not gonna sit in the auto rickshaw. They are waiting for something else, as I think. No, they are not about to go. How long have you been driving? कब से चला रहा हो ऑटो?
8 बरस से चला रहा है
8 साल से?
हाँ 8 साल से
Wow, he has been driving auto rickshaw for the past 8 years. That's great. Wow, this is a beautiful view over bridge. Finally, I'm here on my destination. There is mosque. I'm going to pray in that mosque. It's time to pay the fare, but I don't have cash in the pocket, so therefore my team member is paying. I can pay online if you allow me. So let's go. I'll meet you after finishing prayer. Till then, stay here, okay? We have performed Friday prayer. Now we are going back the company, and you know there are lots of passengers in the auto rickshaw. I don't know how many people are sitting at one time in this auto rickshaw. Actually, I'm the pure. By the way, I got opportunity to sit on the rear seat of auto rickshaw. As you can see, I'm enjoying the front view from auto rickshaw. Here you go. What is the speed of auto rickshaw right now? 40 kilometers per hour. You know why there is very crowd in public transport? Because public transport is cheaper than private transport. You have to pay very less, according 20 or 30 or 50 rupees in public transport, or if you are taking private transport you have to pay 100-200 rupees for just 10 or 15 kilometers. Now I'm back from there. Now I'm going to end my vlog here because I'm not gonna show you any boring things, okay? I'll show you only interesting moment of my life, okay? So right now I'm going to my blog. Right now I'm going to end my blog here. Hope you enjoyed this blog. If you enjoyed this blog, then subscribe, hit the bell icon. Okay, bye.